Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2021 Aston Martin DB11? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Front fuse boxes. The primary engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin DB11 manages and protects electrical circuits related to engine performance and vital front-end components. It supplies power to systems like the cooling fans, ignition coils, fuel injectors, and lighting modules. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2021 Aston Martin DB11 controls and safeguards the electrical circuits for interior functions and driver assistance features. It powers components such as the infotainment system, lighting controls, sensors, and dashboard electronics. Right side engine compartment and right power hold fuse box in 2021 Aston Martin DB11 supports critical power management functions, including modules like ECM wake-up, TPMS, vacuum pump monitor, wiper motor control, ignition coils, fuel injectors, coolant systems, and emission-related modules, ensuring optimal engine performance. In the 2021 Aston Martin DB11, the left power hold fuse box primarily supports body electronics and interior systems like lighting and comfort features. The left side engine fuse box manages critical engine-related components such as sensors, actuators, and ignition systems. Rear compartment fuse box. In the 2021 Aston Martin DB11, the rear compartment fuse box controls power distribution to rear-end systems such as taillights, fuel system components, rear defogger, trunk electronics, and infotainment modules. It helps manage non-engine functions located toward the back of the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.